Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your profile picture not showing on your feed in Facebook issue. So I'm using emulator, but you can use your mobile devices as well because the process is similar. So first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to find your Facebook icon, and suppose this is my Facebook, so press and hold on it and go to app info. After you come here, you'll have to go to storage. You'll see a storage button here. Go in storage and you'll see two options, clear cache and clear data. We'll have to press clear cache, so it will log us out of Facebook, and then we'll come back up. We'll have to and then press force stop here as well, so it will stop all the processes and will restart your Facebook. After that, what you can do is you can go to your Play Store or App Store and simply see if Facebook has any pending updates or not. If they have, I would advise you to update your Facebook application, to see if the issue is there or not. So try these methods and refresh your or you can uninstall your Facebook application and reinstall it again. So see if the issue persists or not. So this is how you can solve these issues. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.